Okay, so I just wanted to walk you through what you're doing in your first APA assignment, which is this, finding a legitimate topic assignment. Okay, so your job, I did some writing. A lot of it I modified from another source. Kind of tells you how to think about problems. I designed this exercise that you guys are doing over the course of this quarter, writing an APA literature review, as what hopefully will be the first step in your 2-class long research methods training. You're taking Psych 209 now, and then usually in your upper division program you'll have an additional research methods class. A lot of the time, not all schools do this and not all instructors do it, but a lot of the time in that second class you're required to generate a research proposal. Something that is your own design, that includes the statistics that you would plan to run and so on. So hopefully this literature review will not only achieve the goal for this class, but if you keep it and you modify, work it out, and fix it up, you can use it as the introduction section on your research proposal in your second class in your upper division work. Okay, so keeping that in mind, I kind of talked to you a little bit about how to design a research problem, how to focus, make a hypothesis, stuff like that. So your task for this assignment is really these 2 sentences down here. You're going to submit a statement or question that identifies your topic so that I can figure out what you're really interested in. And then I want you to try and rephrase that question in the form of a hypothesis, which is going to be a prediction of what you think data would show if you actually collected data on this topic. So it's really just 2 sentences. One is a statement. You can phrase it as a question if you want, that shows me what your idea is. And then the other one is to phrase it in a prediction. I predict that, and then what do you think would happen if you were to actually collect data? You are not getting married to this topic right now. This is not like, this is your idea to get you started. And hopefully you'll base it off of one of the 3 ideas that you generated for the weekly exercise 1. Maybe that'll help focus your ideas, and then you can pick one of them and use it for this assignment. As you start reading, which is, I'm going to encourage you to start doing, starting with the next project that's due next week, as you start reading the literature, your idea might shift, and that's completely fine. That is completely fine. This assignment is not to get you married to something and I'm making a spreadsheet and holding you accountable to the topic. That's not at all what's happening. What's happening is you're generating an idea, so your juices are flowing, you're starting to think about things, and you can start searching for articles on this topic. Let the literature guide you towards your topic, though. Once you start reading, you might get pulled away into some a different variation than what you thought you were going to be doing. So that's perfectly fine. So just for the purposes of this week, you're going to do these 2 little statements. Hit the submit assignment button, and you can either do it as a text entry or you can upload it as a file. All right, well, have fun creating that assignment.